Hello guys, welcome back to my ITIL and ITSM overview video. Today I am going to tell you about um, a little background on how ITIL is being used in the organization in bigger MNCs and give you a background how things work out. And if you have any query or any doubt, please comment and let me know if you have any doubt regarding the ITIL courses. Okay, let's go for okay. So agenda for today's course is the introduction. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Shelly, and I am working as an IT professional in bigger MNC for last 8 to 9 years. And today I'm going to give you a background about the framework for IT service management, ITIL life cycle stages, the strategy, design, transition, and operation. Then I'll cover the continual service improvement with the benefit of ITIL and the certification for ITIL courses, exam, and little about how I cleared my exam and what I did. Then I'll give you a bigger picture of ITIL, how it looks like. So I'm a certified ITV4 candidate. I cleared my exam in 2025. Yeah, it took a bit longer time, but I did it. And I have total work experience in the IT industry for 8 plus. Okay, so moving ahead with the framework for IT service management is the full form of ITIL is Information Technology Infrastructure Library. This was originated. Sorry, guys, I just accidentally closed my video. I hope it is visible now. Okay, so our framework for IT service management is the technology. This particular service management technology came in 1980s, and the best practices for IT service management is under this particular course. So the main goal is to how to deal with the end user, to the customer, to the to the planner. Okay, so all these things comes under the ITIL process. And right now this particular page shows you ITIL life cycle stages, where you have the strategy, design, how to transition, how to operate, how to work with continual service improvement. Next, we have the service strategy, which covers how the service portfolio, demand, financial management is processed. So, in order to work in the IT service strategy, we should be aware of the IT services, how IT finance is going to work, how the demands is going to work, how the business and the customer relation should be managed. These are the important parameters which are covered in the strategy. Next, we have the IT service design, which is which will give you an overview of importance of the service principles, how service design works, ITIL service design process, capacity, continuity, security in the environment. As you know, there are a lot of IT companies who are interacting or they are signing business with other big companies. So to build a proper design to work with that particular organization, you should have a planning, right? So that service design helps you to interact, to tell you how capable they are, how available they are. They can work 24 into 7 or they can work 24 into 5 days. So these are the plannings, how service is designed and new services are processed. Next, we have the transition. In the transition phase, where you see that there are a lot of um, development, or the process is growing, so that needs a change, that needs an asset, that needs a configuration where you have to get resources, you have to get the releases, you have to plan how things are going to change in future and what benefit a customer or what benefit to a revenue is going to happen. So a change, evolution, how to maintain an inventory of knowledge management will help you to grow, to know what is going in the organization, how things are working. All these things comes under a service transition, where you gather information for planning, supporting, making a change, deploying, release. All these things comes under this particular frame. Next, we have the service operation. This is the a very important day-to-day management service, which covers incident, problem, change, requirement, anything that needs to be fulfilled in the organization between the two partners or two companies. We need these kind of things included. So if you will join any company, let's suppose you have joined Google, you have joined bigger MNCs, they do follow ITIL process, because what they have is they have to start from ground zero, and ground zero is how to reach out to a company. So that can be through a chat, through a call, through an email. So the contact us would be the main objective of any company. Like, they have their HR department, they have their finance department, they have their service desk. So all these things are planned according to the ITIL frame. So if you want to contact Geo, Geo services, right? You have a plan in your phone which is not working. So your first point of contact will be service desk, right? So you will contact Geo and ask them, hey, my plan is not working. Can you take a look on it? So that particular customer care is going to give you an overview how things are working and how much time is it going to take, or I will raise a case for you to look into this, or they will give you a resolution then and there. So these things works under a service operation, and it can be a problem management, an incident, a change, a request fulfillment, or an event management. For detailed information, I can probably give you another video on how incident, problem, and change works. If you want that, please do comment and let me know. Next, we have a continual service improvement plan, which tells you to identify the strategy for improvement, measure or analyze, or like if there are any improvement required in the company. We always give an idea, right? So we can plan, we can do, we can check it, and then we can act. For I'll give you a small example. uh your family member is going for a road journey, right? They are going to cover more than 1000 kilometers journey by road. So what will be your strategy? Your strategy will be his safety, his health, his you know, what all he has to carry um in his journey, like the food, the everything needs to be planned, right? When you are planning a journey. Similarly, in organization, when we are planning to establish a company, we have to plan, we have to do things, we have to check if it is going to work or not. If it is going to work, what revenue, what benefits are we going to give to a customer? So that's how the continual business uh, or the service improvement plan, do, check, and act. So benefit of ITIL provides a structured approach to ITSM, improved customer satisfaction, better risk management, increased efficiency and productivity. It gives a value driven IT services. So ITIL is a strong pillar, I would say, for an organization, because I have seen a lot of people saying that they are working in a technical field. They might be working in their domain, in their support system, but there's always an hierarchy. There's always two to three pillars in the organization which might be working for the business. But now, since AI is coming in the role, things are getting changed. It is not same, but yes, still there's ITIL which is followed in each organization. They cannot break the cycle. The AI can come in and they can give you a new ideas, but the cycle has to be followed the same way. So anybody who wants to get into the IT industry should know the basic of ITIL. If you're planning for the exam, then you will get details on the people cert or portal. You can sign up, you can go for the exam, but in most of the companies they provide you trainings and they give you overview about how to appear for the exam. Here the certificate exam and study guide is about how and who manages this particular exam. So ITIL exam is organized by People Cert. They give you study material. If you have signed up, the cost of exam is approximately $500. So if you have joined the organization, your people manager or the team you're working under is going to help you out to clear some basic examinations like Six Sigma, ITIL. They will give you Prisma. All these are the prints. These are the exams that organization try for the new beginner or the freshers joining it. It has a partnership with the customers. So if your organization is giving you an opportunity to appear for the exam, go learn, grow. Okay, do not miss the opportunity. You should always give an exam and be a certified trainer, certified any foundation level, advanced level, associate, whatever is your area of interest, go for it. So similarly, in the exam, the question number of question consists of 40. It's a 1 hour window exam. There's multiple choice questions and the passing passing score is like 65%. It's a closed book. You cannot take a book with you, or you can go for a online exam. It's good. Next, this is the bigger picture of how ITIL is working. It focuses on values. Start where you are. You have to learn about the definition of each things, like uh, the demand, the engage. You should know all these exam uh, for the exam purpose, because these definitions are going to come in the exam a lot. So go for this particular definition. Also, try to remember the diagrams, because these are the diagrams that are going to help you understand and you will be able to relate things. All these are going to be a game changer for your exam preparation. So go for it. All these things. Okay, so if anybody is interested in a detailed classes for this, please do let me know in the comment section. I can i can help you with the Zoom meeting to give you an overview of these particular ITIL courses. Also, and this is my last slide, so if anybody has any question, please comment below on the video, and I'm happy to help. And I hope everybody got an overview of how ITIL is working in the organization. Um, a little example I can give you is, like, if you're working in the incident management role, there are a lot of issues that you handle on the daily basis, and where you work on the priority, or you work in the lower priority or higher priority. So all these things come under a management role, and that's how you can work in the organization when you are joining as a ITSM role and responsibility. When there is a hiring ongoing for ITSM or incident manager or MIM role, you should be aware of what all ITIL gives you in a background. It is going to help you to crack the interview also. So thank you everybody who ever joined this particular video, or whoever is watching it. Thanks. So thank you for watching this. Have a good day. Also keep learning, and you can like or subscribe my channel if you find my video interesting. Thank you.